the big story of the day, every year the monsoon arrives in Mumbai and every year these pictures return. I'm sure that you saw them last year and you've seen them once again this year as well. In Mumbai, roads are caving in, streets have turned into rivers, trees are crashing onto the cars, highways are washed away and villages have been cut off. From Maharashtra and Gujarat, the story remains the same. The monsoon has exposed the same old question once again. Is that just a nature at work or is this a failure at the civic level? I'm joined by Rucha and Atul from Mumbai. They will get us all the ground updates. But before that, let me show you the visuals on your screen. First, let's go to Andheri, where heavy rainfall has disrupted normal life and caused waterlogging in several areas. Next, we tell you about Sion, where continuous rainfall has led to traffic jam and flooded roads, as you can see on the screen. And now to the gateway of India, that is Marine Drive, near Marine Drive, where strong rains and heavy tide conditions are being closely monitored. Finally, in Palghar, where it is also witnessing intense rainfall with reports of water stagnation there and local disruption from the area as well. And these are the visuals on your screen that are coming in from Palghar in Maharashtra. As you can see, the roads are completely underwater, and the cars that you can also see on the screen, the mini trucks, they are completely submerged. And imagine this is from a very prominent area in the city there. We also told you about Andheri area, where in fact the streets are underwater. So these are the visuals emerging from different areas as far as Mumbai is concerned. We also showed you visuals coming in from the gateway of India, where strong rainfall and high tide conditions are being closely monitored at this point in time. Rucha is joining us live on the broadcast with more details. Rucha, every year we see the same story. The BMC says that it is monsoon ready, and then the rain arrives, and so does the chaos that we're witnessing in Mumbai at this point in time. Give us a ground update. Where are you right now, and what is the condition there?
Well, currently I am at Chunabhatti area, which is a regular waterlogging spot. But today, however, due to the low rains or light rains, we are not seeing any waterlogging at this particular spot. The Eastern Express Highway traffic is currently at smooth speed, and Hindmata or King Circle, these are the low-lying areas which sees waterlogging every day, particularly in this monsoon season. But today there's a relief for the Mumbaikars. However, people in Vasai Virar, Palghar district are facing waterlogging issues. We just saw a video where lots of cars can be seen floating. People are stuck, and the roads have turned into river. And that is where the question arises about the town planning, about the stormwater drain department's work. And even yesterday, what was shocking was the Veera Desai Road, which is a very posh locality of Mumbai's western suburbs. In fact, in Lokhandwala, Andheri area, was also seen flooded with water. And even at that area, the roads had transformed into river-like situation, where people making fun of the government had brought boats and were floating in the roads. And that is what is shocking, that this year we have new hotspots, new waterlogging spots that have come to light, and this is clearly a failure of the government. In fact, the video that we are seeing of the Nala Sopara, Vasai Virar area is concerning, because the real estate projects are coming up. There are a lot of new high rises being built, but without any proper planning, without even basic drainage system in place. And that is why the people of Mumbai or of Maharashtra are facing these issues. Even a young 11-year-old child lost his life, but despite that, Mumbai city is even today facing tree collapsing incidents, where in fact Mayor Ritu Tavde's constituency in Ghatkopar is also witnessing the same. Yesterday at night, 4 cars were crushed because of a tree falling on the car in her own constituency at Ghatkopar. And that is what is concerning, that despite a young boy losing his life, the government continues to ignore the concerns, ignore the complaints.
Absolutely, because several people have died over the last few days because of electrocution, because of tree falling onto their cars, onto them as well, and falling into manhole as well. The question is quite simple. If the city was so prepared for the monsoon, why are we witnessing same scenes all over again, 2025 and now 2026 as well? Stay on with me, Rucha. We have another update coming in. The lady that you see on your screen is Mumbai Mayor Ritu Taude. Her job is to oversee the city's civic infra and ensure that Mumbai is prepared for the monsoon. Ahead of the monsoon, she said, and I quote, that we are prepared for the monsoon, but you can witness the chaos on the screen as well. And now as the city struggles with waterlogging, flooded roads and disrupted life, a video of this mayor has gone viral on social media and it has sparked a political controversy. She's seen asking people sitting nearby to move away as she walks through the area during the inspection. The opposition, in fact, to this is that the focus should have been on fixing the city, the roads, the waterlogging there, and not managing the camera frame. Let me once again go back to my colleague Rucha on this. Rucha, before monsoon hit, BMC said that we're prepared. What is the plan of action that they have in place to ensure that more people do not die there in Mumbai, in Maharashtra, in and around that area? Tell us more about what is happening there on the ground. And we're also learning about a war of words between mayor and deputy mayor, because mayor is from the Bharatiya Janata Party, the deputy mayor is from Shiv Sena. They are fighting, putting the blame on each other, and meanwhile we're witnessing deaths there in Mumbai.
Well, clearly, people are suffering waterlogging and several incidents where lots of people have lost their life due to the tree collapsing, a man drowning in the manhole and several other incidents. But we are seeing the authorities who are responsible to keep the Mumbaikars safe are fighting among each other, because the deputy mayor is from Shiv Sena, from Eknath Shinde's party, who's targeting at Ritu Taude. In fact, he even demanded resignation of Ashwini Bhide, who's the municipal corporation commissioner, that it is her responsibility to ensure that all the pre-monsoon work is ready, and she has failed to do so, and that is why Shiv Sena is also demanding a resignation. And even now we are seeing the blame game coming to fore. In fact, a new video which we just saw where the BMC mayor Ritu Taude can be seen shouting at people who are simply enjoying the monsoon at Marine Drive. People are asking her that she could have simply requested people to leave from the premises, as it is definitely a risk to be at a spot where there is high tide at this point. But she can be seen shouting at people, and the opposition parties are also calling it a cover-up because of the kind of damage that she had to go through the very first day of monsoon, when in front of her a BMC employee fell into manhole. And now after that she is continuously on tour, visiting several places in Mumbai city, making sure there are people who are in stranded situation are taken care of. And now this has turned back onto her, because the kind of criticism that she is receiving, the way she is seen speaking to Mumbaikars, she could have simply asked them softly to leave or requested them. But in fact, not just the politics within the Mahayuti, but even the opposition is also seen targeting at the mayor and on the failure of the municipal corporation, where crores of rupees, thousands of crores of rupees are spent on the preparedness, on the pre-monsoon work, be it desilting, tree cutting, or taking care of the people who are living in low-lying areas and on hillside like Vikhroli, Ghatkopar area, where every year we see landslide situations. But this time also the situation remains the same, and the concerns about Mumbaikars' safety remains the same.
Absolutely, and this is what the opposition parties are also saying in Maharashtra. They're saying that 300 crore rupees, they have been spent on Mumbai by BMC, but nothing has changed this year as well. They're seeking resignation of BMC mayor, the lady that you saw on camera, and she's facing a lot of backlash on social media as well. Stay on with me, Rucha. I'll come back to you once again. I'm also joined by Atul, but before I go to him, we have another breaking update coming in from Mumbai. Even as the city has been witnessing rainfall over the past 1 week, The IMD has once again issued a red alert. The warning urges citizens to remain cautious, and according to this warning that was given at 7 o'clock in the morning, the alert is valid for the next few hours. Heavy rainfall is expected in Mumbai and Raigad district as well, and people are advised to take precautions and avoid any unnecessary travel, is what IMD has said. Have a look at this ground report.
मुंबई में बीते 3 दिनों से लगातार बारिश हो रही है। आज भी बारिश पूरे दिन होने वाली है, ऐसा मौसम विभाग का प्रेडिक्शन है। लेकिन आज खतरा ज्यादा है क्योंकि रेड अलर्ट जारी किया गया है। हालांकि बारिश की रफ्तार पे थोड़ी लगाम जरूर लगी है, लेकिन मुसीबत अभी भी शहर पर मंडरा रही है और यही वजह है कि ज्यादातर जगहों पर पानी की रफ्तार कम होने की वजह से जल जमाव अभी नहीं है। लेकिन मुंबई में अगले 24 घंटे के लिए भारी बारिश का अंदेशा जताया गया है। तस्वीरें हम आपको इस समय अंधेरी सबवे की दिखा रहे हैं, जो अभी फिलहाल यातायात के लिए खुला है, लेकिन बारिश लगातार हो रही है। लोगों से भी बीएमसी और मौसम विभाग की तरफ से रेड अलर्ट को लेकर अपील की गई है कि बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी हो तो ही घर से बाहर निकले। और रेड अलर्ट के जारी होने की और लोगों की सेफ्टी को देखते हुए जिला प्रशासन ने ठाणे, पालघर और रायगढ़ के सभी स्कूल कॉलेजेस में छुट्टी ऐलान कर दी है। लोगों से घरों में बने रहने की अपील की है। तो खतरा काफी ज्यादा है। मुंबई में भी बारिश रुक रुक के हो रही है, लेकिन दोपहर 2:50 पर समंदर में 4.26 मीटर का हाई टाइड है और अगर उस दौरान भारी बारिश दोबारा से शुरू होती है तो मुंबई के निचले इलाकों में जल जमाव की समस्या देखने को मिल सकती है।
Atul is joining me live on the broadcast with more details. Atul, रेड अलर्ट जारी कर दिया गया है मुंबई रायगढ़ के लिए फिर से। क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं आप अभी कहां पे हैं और वहां पे सिचुएशन क्या है?
जी, तस्वीरें हम आपको सीधे दिखाते हैं क्योंकि शनिवार को जो रेड अलर्ट था उसकी वजह से जो बारिश का फोर्स था वो इतना ज्यादा था कि कई जो नॉर्मल इलाके थे, लो लाइन नहीं थे, वहां पर भी पानी हमें शहर भर में देखने को मिली थी। और शनिवार को जो तेज बारिश हुई थी उसकी वजह से आप इस समय जो तस्वीर देख रहे हैं ये एक अंधेरी सबवे के पास का एक बड़ा नाला है जिसकी एक सेफ्टी वॉल थी। पानी का फोर्स इतना ज्यादा था कि आप समझिए 2 से 2.5 फीट ऊंची जो दीवार थी वो पूरी तरीके से टूट के बिखर गई है। आप देखेंगे तो हर तरफ इसकी जो ईंट है वो टूट कर बिखर गई है। और आज भी चूंकि रेड अलर्ट का जो है ऑलरेडी आईएमडी ने ऐलान किया हुआ है, तो ऐसे में अंदाजा लगाया जा रहा है कि जब बारिश होती है तो अक्सर ये नाला पूरी तरीके से ओवरफ्लो कर जाता है। और जब ये वाटर का जो सेफ्टी वॉल थी ये टूट गई है तो ऐसे में अगर पानी यहाँ पर भरता है और आने जाने वाला कोई शख्स इधर से गुजरता है या कोई गाड़ी यहाँ से गुजरती है तो किस तरीके का एक बड़ा हादसा हो सकता है ये भी आप समझ सकते हैं। फिलहाल ये जो हम आपको रास्ता दिखा रहे हैं ये अंधेरी सबवे का पास का एक मेजर रास्ता है जहां पर करीबन 2 से 2.5 फीट पानी यहाँ पर अक्सर बारिश में भर जाता है और ये सीधे आगे जाके सबवे से मिलता है, जो अंधेरी सबवे को ओवरफ्लो करने के लिए एक बहुत मेजर पार्ट प्ले करता है। और इसके ठीक बगल में भी आप देख सकते हैं एक नाला और भी यहाँ पर है जिसका एक वाटर फ्लो हमेशा जब बारिश ज्यादा तेज होती है, अभी रफ्तार वापस से बारिश की तेज हो गई है, इसके नाले के ओवरफ्लो हो जाने की वजह से पूरा का पूरा जो पानी है इस सबवे में आता। अभी फिलहाल आप अंधेरी सबवे की जो तस्वीरें हैं वो देख रहे हैं, खाली अभी इसको रखा गया है, लेकिन मौके पर बीएमसी के जो कर्मचारी हैं जो वाटर ड्रेनेज को ओपन करके रखते हैं, वाटर पंप्स ऑन करके रखते हैं, वो जो है यहाँ पर तैनात दिखाई दे रहे हैं। मुंबई पुलिस यहाँ पर मौके पर तैनात दिखाई दे रही है। प्रिकॉशनरी मेजर के तौर पर वाटर पंप्स भी लगाए गए हैं, लेकिन मुंबई के लिए मुसीबत अभी भी कम नहीं है क्योंकि बारिश बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है। रुक के जो है फिलहाल के लिए जो है थोड़ी पॉज जरूर लगी है। बीते 2-3 घंटों से बारिश नहीं हो रही है, इसकी वजह से जो वाटर लॉगिंग है वो हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रही है, लेकिन खतरा अभी भी है क्योंकि ऑलरेडी आईएमडी की तरफ से रेड अलर्ट रायगढ़ और मुंबई के लिए जारी किया गया है। संडे का दिन है, इस वजह से लोग ज्यादातर अपनी फैमिलीज के साथ घूमने के लिए भी निकलते हैं। इस वजह से अपील भी की जा रही है कि अगर बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी ना हो क्योंकि खतरा बहुत ज्यादा है, बारिश बहुत ज्यादा होने वाली है। सैटरडे को जो बारिश हुई है वो पूरे मुंबई में 200 मिलीमीटर यानी 200 मिलीमीटर से ज्यादा की बारिश पूरे अक्रॉस मुंबई में नोटिस की गई है, दर्ज की गई है। तो ऐसे में एक्सपेक्टेड है कि आज भी अगर रेड अलर्ट है तो 200 मिलीमीटर से ज्यादा बारिश अलग अलग कई इलाकों में मुंबई के हो सकते हैं, तो ऐसे में ट्रैवलिंग भी काफी ज्यादा प्रॉब्लमैटिक हो सकती है। तो लोग इससे बचें, घरों में रहें, सेफ रहें, कहीं बाहर बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी ना हो तो बाहर ना निकले। और बारिश का अंदेशा इसलिए भी ज्यादा है क्योंकि अभी भी आसमान में घने काले बादल हैं।
Absolutely, and we are learning that red alert has been given for Mumbai and Raigad, and the situation remains quite concerning there in the city. Thanks so much, Rucha and Atul, for getting us all those ground updates. In fact, we are learning that heavy rainfall has brought down several trees in Mumbai and nearby areas. Have a look at the visuals on your screen. This one is from Powai. A tree fell on an auto rickshaw there, while in Chembur, another tree crashed near K-Star Mall and damaged vehicle there. No deaths were reported in both the incidents. But let's also tell you about what happened in Nashik, where we're learning that a large tree fell on a parked car inside the hotel compound. And thankfully, in this case as well, no one was injured. Have a look at this ground report.
Well, IMD has issued red alert for Mumbai and the adjoining areas at several locations, especially the low-lying belts of Mumbai. Intense waterlogging has been seen, especially Dadar, Hindmata, Andheri subway. The worst hit region is Palghar district. Vasai Virar has been worst hit during this intense rainfall. The trains have also been affected. The vehicular movement between Virar and Palghar has been severely impacted. The officials from the BMC, that is Mumbai Civic Body, with a budget of more than rupees 80,000 crore, as well as officials from the Civic Body of Vasai Virar Thane are on high alert. Major preparations have been done to avoid any kind of untoward incident, any kind of loss of life or a loss of property, because in the last 4 to 5 days there have been several incidents. Arunil Sadadekar with my video journalist Chandan for Times Now in Mumbai.
The richest municipal corporation in Asia, BMC, every year claims that before the monsoon, that this year in Mumbai there will be no waterlogging, which will take place after the heavy rainfall will be poured. But the reality is different. After few minutes of rain, Mumbai gets waterlogged very badly. We are at the Sion King Circle right now, and rain is pouring in from last 30 to 35 minutes very heavily, and you can see the situation, how is this area has been waterlogged. A car is having trouble to go out of this waterlogged area. This is Sion Circle, one of the important places where this waterlogging had taken place. You can see that BMC has put the water drying machine over here. The water pumps has also been put, but the rain is so heavy that they are having trouble to dry out this water from here. If you can see in the visuals how traffic has been disrupted. Traffic is slow moving over here because of the waterlogging which have taken place. If you can see in the visuals, this whole area is waterlogged very badly and people are having so much of trouble. 2 days of red alert has been already given by Indian Meteorological Department in this entire scenario. Right now you are looking at, there are different parts of Mumbai where heavy rain are pouring in, and over here we are at the King Circle, Sion King Circle, where waterlogging have taken place.
Let's now also tell you about what happened in Andheri West, Veera Desai Road, which was heavily waterlogged after intense rainfall, with the locals there saying that the street looked like a river. And these visuals that you can see on the screen show you the exact situation there. In some areas, we're learning that the water rose up to the waist level, forcing residents there to even use boats to move around. Have a look at this ground report.
मुंबई में पिछले कुछ घंटों से आसमानी कहर जारी है और मैं आपको तस्वीर दिखाऊंगा मुंबई के अंधेरी वेस्ट के वीरा देसाई की, जहां पे देखिए ये सड़क जो है वो किस तरीके से नदी और नहर में तब्दील हो गई है। और आप चौंक जाएंगे इस बात को देखकर कि यहाँ पर रास्ता तो जो है ट्रैफिक के लिए बंद किया है, लेकिन अब मुंबई की सड़कों पर जो नाव है, जो बोट है, वो तक अब आ गई है। यहाँ पे देखिए एक यहाँ पे शख्स है, लोकल रेसिडेंट है, जो अब अपनी यहाँ पर नाव लेकर के आ गए। मुझे बताइए ये आपने खरीदी क्यों थी, क्या आज के दिन के लिए?
देखिए बात ऐसी है कि एथेनॉल बहुत महंगा हो गया है, आ नहीं सकता। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बहुत महंगी आ रही है महाराष्ट्र में, जिसके वजह से इलेक्ट्रिक कार चार्ज नहीं कर सकता, तो यही एक साधन बचा है हमारे पास।
तो देखिए ये मुंबई का है, मुझे बताइए ये जो मुंबई का होने के नाते सबसे ज्यादा टैक्स हम पे करते हैं, उसके बाद जब आपको मुंबई की सड़क पे अगर नाव चलानी पड़े तो क्या कहते हैं आप प्रशासन के बारे में?
बहुत बढ़िया शासन है, और क्या कहेंगे। पानी की कमी हो रही थी बहुत दिनों से, पानी ही पानी भर दिया। अब यहीं पे नहाएंगे, यहीं मजे करेंगे, यही धोएंगे। और बताइए,
नाव चलाने की नौबत आ गई है मुंबई।
अरे तो अच्छी बात है ना।
तो आपको देखिए मैं तस्वीर दिखा रहा हूँ, ये मुंबई का है और मुंबई की सड़क पे जो है यहाँ पे आपको जो है नाव आपको दिखाई देगी, और ये सड़क है, कोई नदी नहीं, कोई तालाब नहीं, कोई नहर नहीं। और लोग जो है प्रशासन के लेकर के यही सवाल कर रहे हैं कि क्या इसी सेवा के लिए, क्या इसी सर्विस के लिए हम इतना टैक्स पे करते हैं। हालांकि बरसात बहुत ज्यादा तेज है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद यहाँ पर अगर आप सड़क देखें तो सड़क दोनों तरफ से यातायात के लिए बंद हो गई है। घुटने से ऊपर का यहाँ पर पानी है और यहाँ पर लोग जो है वो नाव लेकर के भी रास्ते पर उतर पड़े हैं।
And even some Bollywood celebrities were affected by the heavy rainfall. In Juhu, water entered the bungalows of Amitabh Bachchan, Ajay Devgan and Sunny Deol. So that remains the situation as far as Mumbai monsoon is concerned. We'll continue to get you more updates on this. With this, a very short break. More news and updates on the other side.